Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to prevent comments on a specific Pinterest pin with the latest steps for 2025. If you want to keep your pin tidy or simply avoid unwanted feedback, Pinterest makes it easy to control who can comment on your content. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find all your saved pins and boards. Next, look for the Pins tab at the top of your profile page. Tap on it to see a grid of all your individual pins. Scroll through your collection and find the specific pin you want to manage. Once you've found the pin you want to update, tap on it to open it in full view. You'll see the image description and any comments that have already been left. Now, look for the three dots icon, usually found at the top right corner of the pin. Tap on these three dots to open a menu of options for your pin. In this menu, you'll see several choices, but you want to focus on the option that says Allow Comments. You'll notice a toggle switch next to Allow Comments. If the switch is turned on, comments are currently allowed on this pin. To prevent anyone from commenting, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. The switch should now appear gray or inactive, indicating that comments are disabled for this specific pin. That's it. You've successfully prevented comments on your chosen Pinterest pin. This setting only affects the pin you selected, so you can repeat these steps for any other pins you want to manage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Pinterest tips and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.